Listen to a conversation at the gym and answer the following question. What does the basic plan include? A. All the gym equipment. B. Fitness classes. C. Personal training sessions.
Hi, I'm interested in signing up for a gym membership.
Great. We'd be happy to have you as a member. What kind of membership are you interested in?
I'm not sure. What are my options?
We have a few different membership plans depending on how often you plan to come to the gym. Our basic plan is $20 per month, and it includes access to all of our equipment during regular hours. We also have a premium plan that's $50 per month, and it includes access to our fitness classes and personal training sessions.
I think I'll go with the basic plan for now.
Okay, great. I'll need some basic information from you to get you signed up. Can I see your ID, please?
Sure, here you go.
Now answer the question. What does the basic plan include? A. All the gym equipment. B. Fitness classes. C. Personal training sessions. Leave your answer in the comments.